Everyone, today we are going to do a training on how to achieve this look. It's 10 inches hair and a closure, and we are going to just use a closure and 3 bundles of hair to achieve the look. So see you, get ready and get seated, and we will go ahead and do that. So these are the things that I'm going to use. I've got my dome cap there, my tail comb to section the pattern, scissors, butterfly clip, and the hair that I'm going to use. I'm going to use body wave 10 inches, 10 inches, and a closure. So my thread, everything is ready to speed up the process. So see you, get ready, pay attention, sit down and see what I'm going to do. All right. I want to put on my apron to get myself ready, because when I need things I want them to be so close to me. I don't want to keep moving around getting things, so I always want them. My scissors is inside as well, so it's more accessibility, or whichever English is cool for it. So I'm using that down cap. I like to use this one because it's more quality and it makes the hair last longer, and it's a medium size. So if it's short look, perfect fit, lightweight as well, tight band, breathable material. So I like to use that so that the wig will last longer. And anytime you are doing it, it's supposed to be in the middle, and that is our middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cap on. I'm putting my dome cap on. It's supposed to be in the middle. Yeah, and I've been using this one. If you stretch it too much, the wig tends to be a bit bigger. So I'm going to put my closure in the middle.